Hey folks, if you're looking for a new bag for your DJI Mini 3 Pro or the Mavic, I am definitely recommending these Peak Design new camera cubes, version 2. I've been rocking this extra small for my Mini 3 Pro. Everything fits perfectly in here. You really pack it to the gills though, it's really packed full. So I wanted to check out the small version. I was using their older camera cube, the small version for my Mavic, and that fit perfectly as well. You can get the Mavic, you can get the remote controller, you can get all your tools in there that you're gonna need. Plus, with the small, you've got even enough room for a little point and shoot. This new version has a few new refinements. You've got weatherproof zippers all the way around now. You've also got this handle that goes all the way around so you can grab it, hold it from the handle, tie into things with little clips if you got them, tie into MOLLE system, super easy. There's also these little hooks that are meant for tying into their backpacks, but what I've done with them is just added one of the Peak Design camera straps to it, and now it's my little camera sling or my little drone sling. And I just love this little bag. This is $49.95. This one's $59.95. What I've been using for the last year or so for my Mini 3 Pro is just one of these Tenba Tool Boxes, they're called. I liked it because it's got the clear top, you can see everything, but as you can see, the remote control kind of sticks up just a little bit, so I was always just a little worried about that, but this is a great bag. Let's pack the Mini 3 Pro into the extra small, and we can kind of check that out first. So they give you two dividers, get rid of those. So how I've been packing it is I put the Mini 3 Pro on the bottom first, got room for a battery here, slip that right behind. Now here's where the problem is. Where do these propellers go? I'm gonna slip them here, I guess. My little screwdriver. And then I would put something on top just to protect the rotors because this is where the remote control is gonna go now. Grab something like this. I would use just a little cloth or an old lens cover. And you pop that on top. And there you go. I mean, it fits practically perfect. Even with the remote. The remote, you can feel it pushing on the sides. But you've got some padding now. You can feel a little safer. You can get rid of this thing. And then when you're ready to head to the spot, just pop on your camera strap, and there you go. You're all set. You got your drone, nice and easy. I really like this package a lot. And when you don't need it, this is also your everyday tech carry, everything sling. I mean, you can fit a ton of different stuff in here, a ton of different customizations that you can do. I'm digging this extra small size. I think this is the perfect little camera sling size, actually. But I got some questions about, would the Mavic fit? The Mavic is definitely not gonna fit in this guy, and that's where the small cube comes in. Another 10 bucks. It's pretty awesome. So let's pop this guy open. You can see inside. One thing that's a little different about these, you get another divider. It's a little larger. You also get one of these mesh bags with Velcro on the back. This is where your propellers, where the screwdriver, all that stuff would go. And as you can see, it's definitely a little longer. You got more space. The Mavic would be nice and happy in here. All right, Mini on the bottom. We'll put our batteries and all that junk in there. Use one of these dividers. Give the Mini a little protection down there. Peak Design, their dividers, they're kind of this origami style, so you can constantly be pushing them, messing with them, folding them around. I'm still gonna, you know what you could do? You could put this other divider right over it. Now, those rotors are gonna be nice and protected. And look at all this extra space you got here. You can put your point and shoot right in here. You can put your snacks, you can put whatever you need. And everything fits really well. Again, this is also a great option for your Mini 3 Pro alongside your Mavics. If you need some extra space, if you got some other things that you want to bring along with you, seems like the small is the way to go. You could attach a camera strap to this one as well, make it a sling. These also have the handles all the way around. Lots of ways to grab it and cruise around with it. And I think they're just a great little addition to keep all your gear safe. Keep everything labeled, nice and protected. So I'm definitely recommending these camera cubes as the best bag for your DJI Mini 3 Pro, Mini 4 Pro, and your Mavics. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please hit that like and subscribe button for more, and I'll see you at the next one. Take care.